people is calling for, we're getting for email marketing, how to create a template for the email marketing purpose. So first you can create the campaign for Mailchimp. Not only for Mailchimp, any number of email marketing campaign. First of all, template creation is important. How to create a templates. First go to your templates. Any template creation will be theme wise and layout wise. In this, create the template. You can check the options. First of all, layout. Select the based on the layout. We create the template option. This will be total will be using by the existing layout options. Next one, themes. Select your comfortable theme by color and create your template also. So anything you can select by. You can select by common one. Ticket booking template, anything will be created by this kind of this one. Event, invitation, competition invitation, new collection, sale announcement, soft, sufficient, subtle, monthly contest, member welcome, hero image. So anyone, any template, simple, you can select your template option, create your template. Based on requirement, the template was created. Based on requirement, templates were created. Now, any template creation will be using for text and it is all images. See, Wildman, the classic, across it. So yeah, add your social icon, add your content. This is a theme-wise color. If you're changing for color, everything will be based on by options. Or else, I'm not interested by the themes. Go for the layout. Layout will be like this: logo, images, just content. Set by the different templates with logo, with logo, with logo. Only one image, two images, two images, two images. Content will be only small content. See this one. If you go for simple test, you can give by the customized layout. Simple test. Everything design yourself. Images, social media icons, everything designed by the particular template option. Select here. I'm editing here. Select. So I'm adding for every information. I'm reading for my welcome template. Welcome to Rakesh Solution template. Add your content. Okay. Close. Next. So any content, first of all, website to first you can add your notepad. I mean that adding for website to website. Okay. Next one. If you're not required, close it. If you want to anything add here, add by your options. So you can add by your YouTube video or social icons. Add here. First of all, social icons. Add your website based on requirement. They will be using for a number: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, Google Plus, Tumblr, adding by Instagram also. 7. First welcome message. Next your information. Add by here. Suppose you can add by any images. browse. You can upload any image. This is your based on requirement. Upload your image. Select your particular folder. Select it. Adding for a number of images. Select image. Insert. Then save and close. Check by it. Then your position option. First name, image. This will be content. This will be social icons. Finally, design bar will be fulfill here. And click for save and exit. Name. Welcome message. The template was saved by in your list. So same like you can create a number of template in your erasers. Is it clear? So this is how you can use your template options by using by number option. Not require any template, select it, you can delete your template. No need. Done. So this option will be here. So any template will be created and delete your options. These are three templates. So based on requirement. So we have a question. I have the own HTML code is there. How to add the HTML code? It is called, they create your template. The option call is last one. Code your own. Paste code, import HTML, import zip. Previous upload URL also there. They will be removed by the template option. Now we are using only for paste code, import HTML, import zip format. So the three will be compatible by the layout creation for the template. Theme will create by the layout to template. This will be you can own code designed by your template option. For creating any template by email marketing will be three options: layout, themes, and code your own language. That is called HTML and upload the zip code. This is called create the template for email marketing purpose. Without create a template, we can't display by the email marketing. Campaign will be not sent. It's very important from the template creation by your particular email marketing.